how to get a refund from Humble Bundle after wrong order. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your humblebundle.com, and then from here, if you simply tap on the menu bar on the top left corner, here you'll actually be able to get the about, right? Simply tap on about, and then from there tap on support and get into the support, and then from there you can actually submit a request order under purchases and download. So what you're going to do is simply find that option, right? Purchases and download. Or if you cannot find that option, you can even find the option of payments and gifts. You can also tap on that one, and then from there you can actually provide an order detail and also request refund before the key revelation or redemption. So what you're going to do is simply tap on support refund policies. Here you need to read all of it and then find the exact solution for your exact problem in order to get refund from Humble Bundle after you have gotten a wrong order. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.